Hello guys, we're gonna continue with the class biology 11th grade, chapter 30, in this case section 30.3. We're gonna continue with the circulatory system, in this case the heart and circulation. The heart and circulation. The tissues and structure of the heart make it an efficient pump. This kind of information for you guys. Your heart beats about 100 times each day. In that time, it circulates blood through 96,000 kilometers of blood vessel, roughly 1/4 of the distance from the Earth to the Moon. In your lifetime, your heart may beat as many as 2.5 billion times, and it never stops. Your heart. The structure of your heart. The structure of your heart. Your heart have 4 chambers. The smaller are the right atrium, and the left atrium. The largest are the right and the left ventricles. You have the right and left ventricle. We talk about the chambers and valves of your heart. The heart also have valves, flaps of tissue that stop blood from flowing backward. They open when the atria or ventricles contract and close when the atria or ventricles relax after blood fills each chamber. The cardiac muscles contracts, pumping blood out of the chamber. The heart is small but strong. The heartbeat. Even though the heart has 4 chambers, it only contracts twice in each heartbeat. First, the atria contract together, then the ventricles contract together. Okay, in our heart, guys, we have cells are known as the sinoatrial, SA node, or pacemaker. When the SA node is damaged, people must get an artificial pacemaker to keep the heart beating. The pacemaker sends an electrical signal that starts a wave of contraction in the atria. After the atria have contracted, the signal is passed to a group of cells known as an atrioventricular node. This node is located in the right ventricle. The AV or atrioventricular node sends a signal and the 2 ventricles contract. Okay, the blood in the heart. The blood flow in a certain pathway through the heart. You have different first pathway, in this case first step. The oxygen poor blood from the body enters to the right atrium. Then continue with the second step or the second pathway. The ventricles contract and pump blood from the right ventricles into the pulmonary artery. From there, the blood flows directly to the lungs, where carbon dioxide is exchanged for oxygen. And then the step number 3 is that, remember guys, when the blood flow in a certain pathway through the heart. Number 3 step is the oxygen-rich blood leaves the lungs, returning to the left atrium of the heart through the pulmonary vein. And the last part or last step of the blood, the pathway through the heart, is the ventricles contract and pump blood from the left ventricle into a large artery. Okay, and the last part of the lesson, guys. The heart pumps blood through the 2 main pathways. The diagram on the right is over here. The pulmonary and systematic show how blood circulates through the pathway in the body. In the pulmonary circulation, on the top of the diagram, the heart pumps blood to and from the lungs, giving the blood a chance to exchange its gases. Then in the second pathway of the blood, or the heart pumps blood, is the systematic circulation. The heart pumps blood to end from the rest of the body, carrying nutrients to cells and waste products away from cells. I will show you guys a presentation. This is gonna help you to complete the activities. I will show you later, guys. The key concept in the heart and circulation: the heart is a muscular pump that moves the blood through the two pathways. The tissue and structure of the heart make it an efficient pump. For example, okay, number one, cardiac muscle tissue work constantly without tearing. And you see a normal human heart. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria, 2 ventricles. Valves in each chamber prevent backflow of blood. And you see, guys, a picture, a photo of our heart. This case, remember, you have a right and the left atrium, and you have the right ventricle and the left ventricle and the other valves, our heart. Muscle squeeze the chamber and is in a powerful pumping action. The heartbeat consists of 2 contractions. This is the S, and the sinoatrial node or pacemaker stimulate atria to contract. The atrioventricular node stimulate ventricles to contract. And you see in what part of our heart is located, guys. Blood flows through the heart in a specific pathway. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 step when the blood flow through our heart, guys. Blood flow through the heart in a specific way. Oxygen pure blood enters right atrium, then right ventricles. That's the first way, or the first step. Right ventricle pumps blood to lungs. Third one, oxygen rich blood from lungs enter left atrium, then left ventricle. Left ventricle pumps blood to the body. The heart pumps blood through 2 main pathways. Pulmonary circulation occurs between the heart and the lungs. Oxygen pure blood enters lungs. Excess carbon dioxide and water expelled. Blood picks up the oxygen, and the oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart. You remember, this is the pulmonary, and the other one is systematic circulation. Occurs when the heart and the rest of the body. Oxygen-rich blood goes to organs and the extremities. Oxygen-poor blood returns to the heart. And you see the other part of the heart in circulation, that systematic circulation. The 2 pathways help maintain a stable body, the temperature. And I will show you guys the first activity. You have to do it is the first 7 questions in the same lesson. 30.3 circulatory and respiratory about your heart. You have to complete, guys, until number 7. The first 6 and this about the big pictures. I will send to you guys this file to the Renwade, and I will show you the other activity is the hold on, is the power nut in the same heart in the circulation. You have to complete the 2 activity, guys, and all this you have to send to me, guys, in April 24. That means Friday, April 24 before 10 o'clock. Okay, good luck, guys. Be nice. We'll see you around.